Hi guys, for this time I want to show you how to use alternates in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. For the first, in Adobe Illustrator, you can highlight the letters like this, and then you can see the drop down icon here. You can change your normal letters into alternates, but if you cannot do this, you can access your alternates on Glyphs panel. Go to type menu, and then Glyphs. This is a whole characters of the font you choose, so you can find the alternates, the getters, and all characters you want here. Select your text box and then replace the letters with alternates you want or character you want. For example, I choose B, double click on any character you want, like this. You also can switch the alternates into normal letters again. Yeah, it's very simple. Next we have Photoshop. Same with Adobe Illustrator. You can highlight and you can see the drop down icon. You also have Glyphs panel on Adobe Photoshop, on type menu, and then panels, Glyphs panel. Yeah, it's totally same with Adobe Illustrator. Select your text box, replace your letter like this. Yeah, it's very simple. I hope this video will help you to show alternates.